Welcome to Love, where we discuss the 5 Japanese car brands recognized as the most reliable of 2025. Japanese car culture is characterized by a wealth of fascinating facts. Japanese cars, admired for their outstanding performance and unique styling, constitute a major element of this culture. K cars with their small 660cc engines are also a notable feature, showcasing innovative engineering in a compact format. Japanese car owners are known for their rigorous maintenance and customization, frequently generating unique and personalized expressions of automotive art. Regarding reliable vehicles, Japanese automakers are demonstrating exceptional performance. Indeed, according to Consumer Reports' reliability assessments, Japanese car brands occupy the top positions. Notably, no American car brands ranked within the top 10 for reliability. Therefore, for individuals seeking a new vehicle that will endure for years to come with minimal repair expenses, here is an examination of the Japanese car brands deemed most reliable in 2025. Subaru enthusiasts will be pleased to learn that the brand has secured the top position in Consumer Reports' reliability rankings, surpassing Lexus and Toyota, which had alternated between the two top spots for several years. According to Consumer Reports, Subaru's impressive ranking can be attributed to the fact that its vehicles share numerous reliable components with a proven track record of dependability. Furthermore, certain Subaru models such as the Forester and Impreza received reliability scores that were significantly above average. Notwithstanding its failure to secure the top position, Lexus continues to be a highly reliable Japanese car brand. As Toyota's luxury brand, Lexus benefits from the availability of Toyota parts, which can be used in many of its vehicles, thereby facilitating cost-effective repairs for owners. As reported by The Street, Lexus vehicles are celebrated for their reliability, longevity, and impressive resale values. Toyota trailed Lexus in reliability due to below-average ratings for the redesigned Tacoma pickup and certain other vehicles, which negatively impacted its overall score. Nevertheless, Toyota, a Japanese automaker, is renowned for producing reliable vehicles that withstand the test of time with proper maintenance, thereby retaining considerable value in the resale market. Similar to Toyota, Honda has established itself as a car maker synonymous with reliable and dependable vehicles. By prioritizing sensible engineering over luxury, the company has cultivated a reputation for building vehicles that embody practicality. Accordingly, Honda's position among the top 5 most reliable Japanese car brands is well-deserved. Another Japanese automaker's luxury brand makes the list of most reliable for 2025. As Honda's luxury imprint, Acura often utilizes shared parts. Notably, Acura cars boast luxurious interiors and cutting-edge safety features. Like and share this video for more automotive news.